Today I'm going to be showing you how to make yummy macaroni cheese. First, you're going to add water into the pot. Then add your pasta into the water into the pot. Let it boil till the pasta has boiled and it's soft. Once that is done, drain the water. Now, to make the recipe for the sauce, you need to add butter. So just wait for it to melt. Then you're just gonna add some salt. And some black pepper. Just mix it around. Add your milk. Then you're just going to keep mixing and mixing. Then you should add your flour. Also, you should add 3 tablespoons of flour into the pot. Now you should just keep mixing it till it gets into a texture. So I'm going to be using 2 cheese. I'm going to be using grated cheese and mozzarella. So here, add your mozzarella cheese and add your grated cheese. You can choose which one, you can add both. Just keep mixing it till it textures. Then pour your milk in. Then keep on mixing. Now just add your pasta into the sauce and keep on mixing. That's how it should be looking like. Just add your curry powder into the sauce and keep on mixing. And here are the final results. The texture is cheesy, it's creamy. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this.